कि RWAs में ये जिनका इंटरेस्ट towards real estate means who are brokering, who are facilitating getting the tenants in, or they are doing the first sale, second sale, third sale. These people are now becoming more predominant. अब ये लोग आ जाते हैं इन इलेक्शंस में तो एक कॉन्फ्लिक्ट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट नजर आएगा, वो मैं आपको समझाता हूँ. ये लोग देखेंगे फास्ट मूविंग पॉपुलेशन विच विल कम टू द सोसाइटी. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई हैव गॉट अ हाउस, राकेश जी इज गॉट अ हाउस, कार्तिक इज गॉट अ हाउस. मेरी टीम के तो सारे बंदों का अपना घर है और उनका ऐसा कोई कॉन्फ्लिक्ट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट नहीं है. बट अगर आप देखिए, अगर हम में से एक भी ब्रोकरिंग एजेंट होता हु इज डीलिंग इन ऑल दिस, उनका इंटरेस्ट रहता है कि फास्ट मूविंग हो सोसाइटी और उसमें जो लॉन्ग टर्म improvements which are required, they will certainly not look at that. They will only look at very, very small term gains which they can rotate and make use of. उनका इंटरेस्ट और हमारा इंटरेस्ट इज एट लॉगरहेड्स. हम देख रहे हैं यहाँ पर पीस होना चाहिए, शांति होना चाहिए, लॉन्ग टर्म विजन होनी चाहिए. हमारी मैनिफेस्टो है वो हम देख रहे हैं यहाँ पर गार्बेज डिस्पोजल. Then we are looking at rainwater harvesting. We are looking at co-sharing of workplace. We are looking at increasing the visitor parking. So all these things will not, get in the interest of the people who I have listed out. I'm not, particularly pointing out, but अगर आप देखें, that is why they say that in the elections of your own RWA, no brokers, please. For anything which you deal with, you will find no brokers, please. So अब ये एक बड़ा considered, and you have to think over it that whom are we electing, whom are we selecting. And then the worst is if that gentleman is in alliance with the builder. That means he will look into the builder's interest more than our interest. We are here a residents welfare association. We are not the builders association. Builder has done his job. We are very happy that we are staying in our houses. But now, please, for God's sake, hand it over to us. This belongs to us. We need to handle it. We need to handle the day-to-day course and also the long-term things which are pending over here. Please hand over our property